Welcome to ClearTask. Today we will look at the fastest and most secure way to share files and set permissions in Microsoft OneDrive Online using the updated interface. By default, everything you upload to OneDrive is completely private. To start sharing, open OneDrive in your browser and locate your file or folder. Hover over the item and click the share icon, or select it and click share on the top menu bar. This opens the simplified sharing dialog. Notice the default permission setting displayed on the screen. To control exactly who can access your file, click the gear icon to open the link settings. Here, you can choose from 3 main access levels. First, anyone creates a link that works for anyone inside or outside your organization. Use this for public documents. Second, people in your organization restricts access strictly to colleagues signed into your domain. Third, specific people ensures only the exact email addresses you provide can open the file, offering the highest level of security. Once you select your audience, look under Other Settings. By default, Allow Editing is turned on. If you only want recipients to read the document, uncheck this box to switch to View-Only access. When editing is turned off, you can also toggle block download to prevent users from saving a local copy to their device. When your permissions are properly set, click Apply. Finally, you can share the file in 2 ways. You can type in the recipient email addresses, add a quick message, and click Send for an automatic notification. Or simply click Copy Link to grab the secure URL and paste it directly into any chat, email, or workspace. That is it. Your file is now successfully shared with the exact permissions you need. If this tutorial helped, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct professional guides.